Hello guys and welcome to AlgoCraft. Here I simplify DSF for you. Today we are solving the LeetCode problem number 2 sum. Problem number 1. This question says that given an array of integer nums and an integer target, return indices of the two numbers such that they add up to target. You may assume that each input would have exactly one solution and you may not use the same element twice. Means this is saying that they are given us the target value. Suppose they are given ourselves 9 and we have to add 2 element in the nums value to form 9. Means here if we add 2 and 7, then we got 9 and we have to return their indices. So now see what's the approach we have to solve this question, and there are two approaches. I will discuss all the two approaches. So our first approach is sorting. Whenever it talks about searching, we have first priority is sorting. So if we sort all the elements, it's easy to find the value. It's easy to find the target value. So let's see if we sort this nums array. Then we got 2, 5, 7. Then we will put I pointer and j pointer towards here, and we will see that if 2 plus 5 is equals to the target value. 2 plus 5 is equals to 7 and our target value is 9. So this is not equals to our target value. So we will plus the j. So if we plus the j pointer move it here. So our 2 plus 7 is equals to 9. So we found our target value and we will return I and j. But this is not the efficient solution, because you can see that this will return us 0 indices and 2 indices. This will return this value, but our output would be 0, 1. This is our real output. So this is not an efficient solution. So let's dive into another perspective. So if we have given this array 2, 7, 11 and 15, and we have our target value equals to 19. No, we have our target value and we have our target value is equals to 9. So what we will do that we will just put nums of I in the nums of I value. So we'll put this 2 over here. We will do, and we will put its index 0. We will search that 2 minus 9. 2 minus 9 is equals to 7. So does 7 present in the hash map? No, it's not present in the hash map. So what we will do that we will just continue our hash map. So now we will put another element in the hash map. We will put here 7 and its index, and then we see that 7 minus 9 is 2 and 2 present in the hash map. So we said that 2 is present in the hash map. So what we will do that we will just return the index of this 2 and this 7. This index is corresponding value. So now let's dive into the code. So we will first create a hash map. hash map integer comma integer map. We will give it the value map. We will give it the name map. New int hash map. Okay, our map is how. So we made our map. So now what we will do that we will iterate throughout the array. So we will take a loop for this I less than nums dot length. This will help us to iterate throughout the array. And what we will do that we will make an variable int new target means our -1. We will do target minus nums of I and see that if it is present in our map or not. So if map dot contains key no target, we will just return nums of I, and I means I is the index of this. We will just do map dot get return. We will do return new int because it is a map dot get nums of I. No, not nums of I. We'll just return new target because we found our targeted value. So we'll return this and we'll return I, its index. Okay. If it is not present in it, or we will just put else over here, else we will do map dot put nums of I and our index I. Now for not throwing an error, because this will throw an error because we didn't return any value true out of the loop. So we will just do throw new illegal argument exception we will give the value no solution, and we will just close it, run the code. Let's see if any mistake we will. Now let's see our code is running or not. It's over here. Now let's run. Okay, our all test cases is accepted. Now we will submit and see what happens. Okay, our code is correct. This is accepting all our test cases. So if you like the video, like, share, subscribe. Do a comment below if you have any query, any question to the code. And for more videos, press the bell icon.